Starting guys, today, number 4 of our Working Drummer series, and I'm talking about gear. Let's get to it. So gear, what gear to take to the gig? What do you actually need to play as a working drummer? So my basic setup is a 4-piece Natal Cafe Racer or Maple, depends how I'm feeling. I've got a small tom 10 and sometimes a 14 floor tom, maybe a 16. Usually, and here's a common thing for working drummers, if you load in your gear to venues 70 to 80 times a year and you put that in your car, out your car, into your storeroom, out your storeroom, you want small, compact gear. So I play a 14 and to be honest, I think it works. It gets low enough for me. It sounds pretty good out front. So I've got 1 kick, 2 toms, and I play 2 snares. I have a main snare which is tuned high and a low snare which is tuned really low. In terms of cymbals, I have one ride cymbal which has got a crashable quality to it if I want a big crash. It's a kind of dark impression thing. A Meinl extra thin jazz crash, 17-inch, and then some sort of hybrid Paiste Aldrin old hi-hats. Now realistically, there's not much more you'll need to take. Maybe a couple of XLRs for your in-ear pack, maybe some spare batteries if you run out of batteries, and maybe you might need some drum mics if you're depping with lots of bands and you don't know what gear they've got. But I find that most people I play with, they already have drum mics or they just don't need them. One overhead, kick drum is totally fine. Hope you guys found this useful. I'd love to know what gear you guys take to gigs. Do you take a lot of stuff? Do you take a little amount of stuff? Are you like me and just want to take the bare minimum? Let me know in the comments below. Hit subscribe if you like this video. Give me a like, because that really, really does help. And I'll catch you guys soon. Take care.